Hola! Today we are going to make a rainbow piñata. The first thing you have to do is draw the rainbow and then cut a small piece like this all over it. And then we are going to cut out, leaving the small pieces. Just like that. We're done cutting out. All you have to do is turn it over, and then we are going to attach a 5 inches scrap back. I cut it already. This is 5 inches. Since it's curved, it will be hard for us to attach it. So what are we going to do is, we have to roll it a little bit like that. It will be easier for us to attach it. We will be using glue gun to attach. Just do the same until you finish attaching it all over the piñata. To connect this one, just put a glue here and here. Just like that. And just continue. We're done attaching the backs. The next step is we have to put the handle. We are going to put these thick backs to make the handle hold stronger. Then we are going to put a hole here, and we are going to use a cable tie. You can use any tie you have, no problem. And then to make this hold more stronger, we are going to roll a scrap backs like this, and then just attach it here. There. And just wrap this up. Next step is just covering it. By the way, this is a chipboard. If it's not available wherever you are, no problem. You can use a box like this. You can find a thin one so that it will break easily when you smash it. And also, if you are using a box like this, you don't need this one. And let's just glue it. Let's turn it over carefully. Okay, then we are going to start here. And just glue it all over. If it's hard for you to glue that way, you can turn it over and just glue it like this. After we finish gluing it, just like what we did here, we are going to leave a small pieces like this while cutting the edges. After leaving the small pieces, we are just going to attach them. Well, look. And then we are just going to cut this off. I'm going to use a cutter here to make it easier for me, but you can also use a scissor, no problem. Just like that. I have drawn this here, there. So that is how it will look like at the sides. There. Front and back. Next is we are going to make a line. Same to the other side. Let's cut a crepe paper like this. Next is we are just going to attach here. To get that crumpled look, you are just going to slide it a little bit like that. Just do it repeatedly until you finish. Actually, it's hot, so I am using this one. This is a rubber glove fingertip. But you can use anything as long as it can protect your finger from the hot glue gun. But if you can enjoy the pain of the hot glue gun, no problem, you will not need it. I finished this one and also this. I finished it until here in the handle. Now we are going to start again from here. For this one, I didn't cut. This part we are going to need to glue them. Just continue doing it until you finished. From here, we are going to put thread. I'm just gonna show you. Now we are going to put here. Starting here. Please don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell to get notified once I uploaded a new video. More designs coming up. Thank you for your support. You can also leave a comment if you want to request the content for my next video. Thank you. Next is just cut this excess crepe paper. And also this. Let's glue it a little. Let's have a small piece of crepe paper like this. Cut them on both sides. And just crumple that like that. And then we are going to attach here. Just like that. To make it look like a cotton. Let's just do the same on this side. Also to the other side. This is our finished product. I'm gonna see around it. Ta-da! Now we are going to put a hole to fill this piñata. Just going to cut here carefully. There you go. Let's just also cut this one. And then you can open it and fill it with the treats you want. And let's just close it. Put it back like that. And ta-da! Just like nothing happened. Your piñata is ready. That's it for our rainbow piñata. Thank you for watching and good luck on your piñata making. Bye! Dos.